Hi guys, so welcome back again to my channel. This is Jody Cooking. Today guys, I'm gonna make you some juice. I'm gonna make you some melon, strawberry and raspberry juice. These are all the ingredients that you're gonna need: ginger, lime and lemon. So here I have my blender guys. So I'm just gonna put all my fruits in my blender. I'm not gonna put all of it because it's a lot. And you're gonna also need some water, so I'm just gonna pour some water in my blender. So I'm just gonna turn on my blender guys. So it's finished blend guys, and this is how it look. Just make sure everything is all blend. So what I have been doing guys, I'm straining my juice. Because you want it to be all smooth. And it's best you use a spoon and just press it down. Don't be scared guys to press it down. So that juice can come right through. So this is gonna be my second time straining it guys. That's going down very smoothly. I'm gonna strain it like 3 times. So that's my third time straining it guys. So my juice is finally strained guys. So I'm just gonna put my lemon in there now. Just make sure you strain your lemon and your lime. And now I'm gonna sweeten my juice guys. So I'm using granulated sugar, but you can use whatever sugar you have, but I like to use the white sugar. Just stir it. Look at that color. So I'm just gonna taste my juice guys. That is perfect. Tastes so refreshing and so nice guys. If you guys want, you can always add more lemon and more lime to it, and even more sugar as well, you know, whatever you prefer. But this is perfect guys. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in a glass for you guys, and show you guys how it look in the glass. Hi guys, so this is how my juice looks in the glass, and I'm telling you guys, it looking so refreshing and so nice. I cannot wait to drink some. I hope you guys do enjoy this video. Please subscribe for many other videos. I thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, bye.